What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Spen with a new course with FaderPro and TrackSource. Watch me as I build DJ Maymay's Century, the DJ Spen remix from top to bottom, baby. It's going to be a blast. In this course, I'm going to show you how I build tracks from the bottom up. From drums to drum samples, to working with a musician, to doing vocals, and to design your sound to make it sound like you want it to sound using some very, very simple techniques. In this course, I'm going to show you how you can build your own tracks with your own voice, layering vocals on top of each other to make your record sound very, very unique. Also in this course, you're going to learn how to finish your record to make it sound competitive out here in this market where everybody now has learned how to master and finish their own record. In this course, you'll also learn how to work with a musician to get your thoughts and your ideas out clearly. It's my remix and it's on point with my man Ziggy Funk. It's on.